Hi guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to cut and sew this straight fitted skirt. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. In that way you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I'm using this stretching material. I have 1 yard by 60. I'm going to fold into 2. I will mark 2 inches on the back for zip. I mark 2 inches on the back for zip. So I will bring this way again and place on top here, this place. I place this one on top. This part which I mark is the back and this one is the front. So I place on top like this. Waist is 36 inches. 36 inches divided by 4 is 9 inches. This is 9 inches plus 2 inches to sew. I will sew that with 1 inch and use the remaining 1 inch to sew on the side. So I have 11 inches. Let me trim here. Placing my tape on the waist, I measured 15 inches, which is the hip. My hip measurement is 56 inches. If I'm using non-stretch material, I will measure 56 inches and add 1 inch or 2 inches to sew. Being that this one is a stretching material, I will measure 54 inches divided by 4 is 13.5 inches. This 13.5 inches. I will use the remaining one here to sew. Then I will mark this way. Down part is 44 inches divided by 4 is 11 inches, which is here. Then I will add 1 inch to sew. I will measure waist 4.5 inches for that, like this. Then I will notch here. I will notch the center. I'm going to start to sew without wasting time. I will measure 7 inches on the back, like this. I will sew after 7 inches. I will sew from here to this place and leave about 8 to 9 inches on the down part for split. I will sew that. I will measure from waist. I will measure from the waist here 5 inches. I will do the same on this side and on the front. After doing that, I will join the 2 sides. I will trim this one to make waistband. So I'm done sewing for zip. I leave 7 inches here to sew zip on and about 9 to 10 inches on the bottom for split. I've already sewed this side. I'm going to sew here now. I measure 36 inches on the waist, 54 inches on the hip, and 44 inches on the down part. I'm going to sew this one on the waist. After I finish sewing this side, the two sides, I will sew on the waist. I'll sew around the waist. I'm done sewing the two sides, and I sew the band on the waist. I've sewn the first one. I sew around the waist like this, and I'm going to bring this way in like this, place on my machine and sew round. I will start the zip from the waistband to here. After I finish sewing zip, I will sew hook and eye here. Then I will sew the down part. I'm done. This is the final look, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.